To become a strong commander, here are some steps you can take. 1. Develop leadership skills. Focus on improving your communication, decision-making, and problem-solving abilities. Effective leaders inspire and motivate their team members. 2. Learn from successful commanders. Study the strategies and tactics used by successful commanders throughout history. Read biographies and learn from their experiences and leadership styles. 3. Build a strong team. Surround yourself with skilled individuals who complement your strengths and weaknesses. Foster a positive and collaborative work environment. 4. Foster trust and respect. Build trust and respect among your team members by being fair, transparent, and consistent. Encourage open communication and create a culture of mutual respect. 5. Continuously educate yourself. Stay up to date with the latest developments in your field. Attend training programs, seminars, and workshops to enhance your knowledge and skills. 6. Adaptability and flexibility. A strong commander should be able to adapt to changing circumstances and make decisions quickly. Remain calm under pressure and be open to adjusting tactics as needed. 7. Lead by example. Set the standard for your team by consistently demonstrating the values and behaviors you expect from them. Lead by example and be willing to roll up your sleeves and work alongside your team members. 8. Develop a strategic mindset. Think strategically and develop a long-term vision for your team. Set goals and create a plan to achieve them, considering potential obstacles and risks. Remember, becoming a strong commander is a continual learning process. Embrace feedback, reflect on your experiences, and always strive for personal and professional growth.